So my friends, we are at the station Wat Mong Khon. From here we'll visit Chinatown, and you can see the design of station. Okay, we wanted to visit Chinatown and in Bangkok, and to get here it is good to take MRT and BTS. Actually you have to take two trains. First, if you are living in Sukhumvit area, you need to take Nana. You can go from Nana metro station to Ashok, or from Ashok you can directly go to MRT Sukhumvit station, take blue line and get ticket for Wat Mong Khon. And from here we are at Wat Mong Khon, and it took like hardly 30 minutes to reach here. So let's go. So these are escalators to get up on the upper floor and get out of the station. Yes, to go to Chinatown you have to take exit number 1. It is called Phang Nam Road. So here we'll put our coin to open the door. So अभी हम फाइनल एग्जिट से निकल रहे हैं, और आप देखिए इसका जो है ना डिज़ाइन भी वही चाइनीज़ स्टाइल की दी हुई है. Placed a guide map of this area also in the station. So these are top list where you want to go. This I Am Chinatown is a mall, then there are other areas, and these are food areas. It is Yao Warat Road. So Chinatown Hospital Line, there are other things, and this is a map of the area. So you are here. Now let's go. So my friend, this is MRT station exit entrance, and just outside of this is Chinatown, and it really looks like I'm walking in the streets of Hong Kong or China. We are in Chinatown. This is some road, and there are hotels, and as you can see behind me there are some other hotels, but all are Chinese. So I bought a coffee to energize myself. So today we are going to walk a lot. Let's see. यहाँ खाने के स्टॉल्स हैं, खाना पीना है और काफ़ी टूरिस्ट नज़र आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे। तो पिछले टूरों में आई मिस दिस प्लेस इन माई लास्ट टूर्स। दिस इज़ अ गुड टू एक्सप्लोर न्यू थिंग्स every time. This is another street. People are eating here. So it looks like Chinatown market shops, but time is up. I think shops are closed. Mostly shops are closed, and it is a bit dark here. So if some are open, they are closing them. There's some restaurants open. Otherwise, mostly shops are closed. Okay. There are food stalls and they are selling something. My friends, we did some shopping from here, from this street. Although there are many shops are closed, but few are still open. There's a mall. It's called I Am Chinatown. So let's go there and see what's there. Get inside and see what's there. So this is the floor plan of Chinatown Mall, and these are some dried fruits. So my friends, we are at second floor, and there are some restaurants. This is menu, and this is, I think, halal restaurant. Yeah, it is halal restaurant, you see. And some Korean chicken, and There are some other restrooms also. So here's Lahore restaurant in Chinatown Mall. Now we should find some place to sit and eat to energize ourselves. Here is Japanese restaurant, and this is the food what they are selling. So my friends, we are at this restaurant, and Japanese restaurant. We are going to see moment of truth. We have got a dish. So let's enjoy. Look, there's another Chinese restaurant which is halal. And this is called Afanti Lansu handmade beef noodles. It looks very nice. Look at this. All people are queuing to buy this food. This is Chinatown Culture Center, but it's closed now because they close at 8 o'clock, I think. So my friends, this is the Chinatown Gatehouse, and I think Chinatown starts from here.
哇，这个饭吃了这么多天。
ไม้เดียวไม้เบอร์ห้า
Zij ook. Niet, nou ja, wat die dingen.
I don't have 10. Oh, later